Hey there, breath warriors. Today, we're diving into a game-changing natural remedy that's probably sitting in your spice rack right now. I'm talking about bay leaves, the unsung hero of fresh breath that most people completely overlook. Let's get real for a moment. Bad breath isn't just embarrassing. It's a complex problem that can destroy your confidence in seconds. Most people reach for chemical mouthwashes or mint gum, but those are just temporary band-aids. We're going to explore a natural, scientifically backed solution that tackles bad breath at its root. Bad breath, or halitosis, isn't just about what you eat. It's typically caused by bacteria buildup in your mouth, poor oral hygiene, digestive issues, dry mouth, certain foods and drinks. Bay leaves are more than just a cooking ingredient. They're a powerhouse of natural healing, packed with compounds that fight bad breath like a superhero. Let's break down why bay leaves are so effective. 1. Provides a natural, fresh-feeling one. Fight harmful mouth bacteria. Neutralize bad breath at its source. Provide long-lasting freshness. Now let's get practical. Here are 3 proven bay leaf breath remedies. 2. 3 dried bay leaves. 1 cup of water. Optional clove or cinnamon stick 1. Boil water 2. Add bay leaves 1. Simmer for 5. 7 minutes 4. Strain and cool 1. Drink or use as a mouth rinse 1. Crush 1. 2 dried bay leaves 1. Steep in hot water for 5 minutes 3. Cool until lukewarm 1. Swish for 30 seconds 5. Spit out. Chew a small piece of dried bay leaf after meals. Discard after chewing. Instant fresh breath boost. Pro tips for maximum fresh breath. 1. Stay hydrated 1. Avoid sugary foods and drinks 1. Combine bay leaves with clove or parsley for extra freshness 1. Practice good oral hygiene 1. Use bay leaf remedy 1, 2 times daily. Here's a secret most people don't know. Bad breath often starts in your gut. Bay leaves help improve digestion, reduce gut inflammation, balance oral microbiome. Always use dried food-grade bay leaves. If you have allergies, consult your doctor. Moderation is key. Imagine walking into a meeting, a date, or a social gathering knowing your breath is fresh and clean, naturally. No chemicals, no artificial flavors, just the power of nature working for you. Try the bay leaf method for just 1 week. I guarantee you'll be amazed at the difference. Drop a comment below and let me know how it works for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Fresh Breath Revolution starts now.